Hello, my name is Tate Pitongkham, number 049 from section B. My nickname is Kla. Question number 1. Would you like to travel to space one day? Why or why not? Of course, just thinking about it is enough to get me excited. Zero gravity, space debris, or even an aliens. There are so many things I can do in the space, like infinity space to drop the trash, research the debris to discover the mystery of the space, which can also help with discovering a planet for humans in the future, and be able to have all the honors. Or maybe discover a new intelligence species and having association with them, and probably create a whole new possibility of human futures. According to all movies that involve space and aliens, there are not many movies that have humans to be able to be friends with all the space living, which show that it is not really seem possible to people at this generation. But with this possibility, it will be a new and encouraging change for people.